Hi children and hi dear parents. Now we are going into chapter number 2, that is part 2, Birbal ki Sooj Booj. Birbal ki Sooj Booj. What is the meaning of Birbal ki Sooj Booj? The meaning is the wisdom of Birbal. Wisdom means intelligence, the intelligence of Birbal. Before getting into the chapter, what do you mean by that is do you know who Birbal is? Yes, Birbal, he was an advisor in the court of Mughal Emperor Akbar. And also he was well known because of his intelligence. Okay, so children, let's start with the chapter. Part 2, Birbal ki Sooj Booj, the intelligence of Birbal. And this is Chitrakatha. Now you will have a doubt, what do you mean by Chitrakatha? Chitrakatha means in the textbook itself you will be having lots of pictures based on that story. Through that picture itself you can understand what the story is. So that is what it means, Chitrakatha. Okay. So let's start. I'll read it, I'll explain. After that we can write down the meaning. Okay. So let's start. Page number 13. Part 2, Birbal ki Sooj Booj. So first one. एक बार बादशाह अकबर ने राज दरबार में बैठे सभी लोगों की बुद्धि की परीक्षा लेने की सोची. So one day, that is King Akbar, he thought that the people who all are sitting there on the court, he wanted to test their intelligence, examine their intelligence, how intelligent, how wisdom these people will be. He wanted to test it. Who wanted to test it? Akbar the king wanted to test. उन्होंने बोर्ड पर एक लंबी रेखा खींची और ऐलान किया. So what did he do? He took a board and there on the board he drew a long line. What did he do? He drew a long line and said, what did he say? जो भी इस रेखा को छोटी कर देगा उसे इनाम दिया जाएगा. He told to the people over there, whoever makes this line small, they'll get a reward, they will get the prize for that. Clear? So next, राज दरबार में बैठे सब लोगों को यह काम बहुत आसान लगा. So there in the Raj Darbar, there in the court, those who were sitting over there, the people, those who were sitting over there, they felt that this is very easy. सब मन ही मन सोचने लगे. All started to think of their own. What they started to think? ये कौन सी बड़ी बात है? What is this? This is such a small thing. One person said that this is such a small thing. उस लंबी रेखा को मिटा दो बस. The second person said that just erase that line little bit. Finish. That's it. ये तो बच्चों का काम है. The third person said that, oh, this is a game played by the children. That's nothing difficulty in this. Such a simple, easy one it is. So all the people were thinking in their mind. They were not opening it out. They were thinking in their mind. So इस आसान काम को सुनकर सब मन ही मन खुश हो रहे थे. So when they saw that this is an easy thing, all became very happy. तभी बादशाह अकबर बोले, लेकिन एक शर्त है. But बादशाह अकबर said that, but there is one condition. There is a condition. शर्त? कैसी शर्त? So the people asked over there, condition? What condition it is? Now children, page number 14. Okay, turn it, page number 14. So Akbar said, शर्त यह है कि यह रेखा छोटी करनी है लेकिन बिना मिटाए. He said that you can make this line small, but you should not touch that line. You should not erase that line. That is the condition. King said, क्या बिना मिटाए? यह कैसे हो सकता है? So the people who were sitting over there, what is this? Without erasing it, how can we do that? They asked. शर्त सुनकर सब चौंक गए. All became very shocked while hearing that. सबसे पहले मंत्री जी आगे आए. So who was the first one to come near to the board? The minister came. बोर्ड पर खींची रेखा को एकटक देखते रहे. He was just standing still over there and he was looking into the board. The minister was looking into the board. कि इसको कैसे छोटा किया जाए? How can we make this line so small? जब कुछ समझ में ना आया तो मुंह लटकाए वापस अपनी जगह पर आकर बैठ गए. But he could not understand anything what to do with the line. He just came back to his place and sat over there. इस तरह दरबार में बैठे सभी लोग एक एक करके आगे आए. And thus all the people who were sitting over there on the court one by one came near to the board to see how can we make small that line. Can that line be smalled out? रेखा को देखा, खूब मातापाची की, लेकिन किसी को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. They all saw that line. They thought about that how to do it, but nothing happened. They all came back and sat their own place. अंत में बादशाह अकबर ने बीरबल से कहा. And at last the king Akbar told to बीरबल. क्यों बीरबल, तुम्हारी बुद्धिमानी भी हार गई? He asked बीरबल. What is this बीरबल? Even your intelligence is gone. It is failed off. It is defeated off. It is gone. What happened to your intelligence? नहीं हुजूर, ऐसे कैसे हार मान सकता हूँ? बीरबल said that. How can that be, my dear king? How can I say that I am defeated, I am failed? No, never, it can't. अब बीरबल आगे आए और उस खींची हुई रेखा के नीचे एक लंबी रेखा खींच दी. So what did बीरबल do? He came near to the board, and where the king has drawn a small line over there, below that, what did he do? He again drew a big line over there. Clear? लीजिए हुजूर, आपकी खींची हुई रेखा छोटी हो गई. He said to the king Akbar, now here, my dear king, what you have drawn that line, it has become small. वो भी बिना मिटाए, and also without being erased, I have made that line small. अरे वाह, ये तो बहुत आसान था. And the other people who were sitting over there, they said that, oh yes, such an easy thing it was. सब बीरबल की वाहवाही करने लगे. All started to praise out बीरबल. बादशाह अकबर बीरबल को इनाम देते हुए बोले. And as a reward, what did Akbar king do? The king Akbar, he gave the reward, he gave the prize to बीरबल and said, बीरबल, तुम्हारी बुद्धिमानी से हम प्रसन्न हुए. He said to बीरबल, because of your intelligence, I became very happy. ये लो अपना इनाम. Now here, take your reward. He gave that reward to बीरबल. इस तरह बादशाह अकबर ने बीरबल को 100 सोने के सिक्के इनाम में दिए. And thus बीरबल the king, what did he give as a reward? As a reward, he gave 100 gold coins to बीरबल. So did you understand that story? It's a simple story, isn't it? Very clearly you can understand that. Now what is the moral of this chapter? Below on page number 15 itself it is written. What is the moral? What is the seek that you are getting? सूझबूझ और बुद्धिमानी से कठिन काम भी आसान बन जाता है. That is, even the most difficult problems can be solved by the presence of your mind and also by using your wisdom. That is your intelligence. So children, did you understand that chapter? Very easy it is, isn't it? Now what you will do is take page number 13. Yes, take page number 13. See, here I have written the meanings. Okay. So now you will draw that line, that is below the words you draw the line and write down that meanings over there. Okay. Now I'll read that meanings. I'll read the word, I'll read the meanings also, so that you can become clear with that. So first one is Badshah, king. What is it? Badshah, king. Buddhi, wisdom. Lambi, long. Rekha, line. Khinchi, draw. Choti, small. Inam, prize. Asan, easy. Man hi man, in the mind. Sochne, to think. Mita do, to erase. Again some meanings are there. Khush, happy. Shart, condition. Mantri means minister. Samajh, understand. Vapas, to come back. Jagah, place. Chowk, shocked. Lekin, but. Har means fail or defeat. Vah vahi means to praise. 100, 100. Sone, gold, sikke, coins. So these are the meanings. Underline the words and write down the meaning near to that. And after that, what you will do? You will read this chapter for 5 times. You make sure that you are reading this chapter for 5 times. Okay, my dear children? Okay, that's all. Thank you.